అంటారు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఇవానా గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. వి విష్ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యూ. ఎస్, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మన హార్ట్ థ్రోప్ కేతికా శర్మ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఈ ట్రైలర్ లాంచ్ ఈవెంట్కి మీరందరూ వచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ట్రైలర్ నచ్చిందా? Love it, love it. So I just want to say a big thank you to Arvind sir. I was telling Arvind sir the other day that I've always wanted to be associated with him and with Geeta Arts and inka manchi movie lo avakasam ichina. Thank you so much sir. Vidya garu, Riyaz garu, Bhanu garu, Bani Vasu garu, and of course my director Karthik Raju sir. Thank you so much. You're so wonderful. This film is bringing forth a very fantastic duo of just the most exceptionally talented actors in my eyes. That is Vishnu sir and Vanilla Kishore sir. Their comedy is so unique and the blend of their unique styles is just going to make you all laugh your hearts and your stomachs out in the theater. I will speak more on the pre-release event. Of course, the lovely music by, I was just amazed by the BGM of the trailer. It is so lovely. And our DOP, who's just given the most wonderful lights. I was watching me and Ivana Papa, who is also very talented and, you know, so beautiful and looking so lovely on the screen. And yes, so see you all in the theaters on 9th May. And we'll speak so much more at the pre-release event. Shravs, you're killing it. I can see you're in our outfit of the, so sweet of you to sport that. And yes, a big namaskaram to the members of the media. Again, I'm meeting you all after a very long time. I hope you all are well. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ కేతికా గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు ఆర్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ విద్యా మ్యామ్ని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా.